Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Ready to Form Voltron Part 4. Today we're going to start assembling the yellow line. This one's going to be a little bit trickier to assemble because I had to make a couple extra cuts just so it could fit on my print bed and I wasn't wasting a lot of supports. I had to cut this front part off here, and I also had to cut off the center part that was right here that's between the two pieces. So let's get assembling. That should do it. Okay, the yellow line shin has been completed. I'm not going to try this on because I still have to reinforce this seam right here to make sure it's sturdy enough that it won't break under its own weight, and also when I go to move my leg that I don't break it. So I still have a lot of post work to do because there's some divots in there and there's some holes from when I was trying to weld the pieces together, and the seam here I got to work on trying to smooth out, which shouldn't be too bad because you're not really going to see that part from far away. So, here is the foot for the yellow line. Basically almost the same as the blue line, just a little bit different. But I also have to go back through again with some rafts right here to help to solidify the connection, and the same thing on the sides here. So that is it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also please remember to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. The next line I'm working on is the green line. All the parts are printed. I just have to remove all the old supports and assemble any pieces that need to be. Thank you for watching.